Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my first update for the day for gold and silver, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day. The next update will be released before the US session. Don't miss to watch it. With the help of indicators, charts and a multi-time frame analysis, we will arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade with profits, trade with confidence and trade with logic. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first we look into gold followed with silver. Look at the move in gold, what it is doing it. A rise and a retracement towards 20 period, rise retracement support, and at this point yesterday I have mentioned it has formed a very good support. It can try to bounce back. It has moved towards 27 2022 zone, and now after erasing the gain again has come down towards the support from the 20 period moving average. Very good indication it is for the bulls. As you can find out, every time it takes the support we can see a good rise, and if you connect the dots you'll find higher highs and higher lows are seen. So now if you see gold trading about 2720, we can expect 2725, 26, and then I'll be looking forward to 2733, 35 as the next target. And remember, the next strongest one for gold is at 2750, because that is the level, that is the number beyond which the chances of gold breaking beyond 2800 will increase here. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. Now, only worry point is the MACD which has crossed over. Now, if you look at the MACD, it is just trading with the swings, staying in the zone. It is not that it cannot rise further, but right now it is looking downwards. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation, whenever it hits the 20 period, it tries to bounce back, and see this is the fourth time it is trying to do so, and again hitting the zone it is trying to recover. I'll wait for a move, in fact about 2714, which can take it towards 2720, 2726, and then 2733, 35 should be the next one. Beyond this, 2750 level should appear. Let's have a further look though. The moving averages here are staying bullish, trading with divergence. When you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. Interestingly, the MACD here has again crossed over. Now see, this has happened yesterday when it has crossed over for a brief while and then again moved upwards. Now again it is crossing over for a sell. So it is a slight bearish sign. It is not that it cannot rise further, but this is the third attempt. So here we have to exercise a bit of caution. This can call for little retracement. RSI is also just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see higher lows and higher highs. This is what we had seen yesterday in our update, and now it is very crucial for gold to trade below 2700 levels. Now 2700 is going to be a very good 2700, 2695 is going to remain a very good support for the day. Yesterday we have seen a bit of a struggle. In fact, with the CPI data, we have seen a bit of a struggle in between 2700 to 2695 zone. So now again, these levels are going to play out well and a great support for the day. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. We'll wait for a crossover. It is not that it cannot rise further, but right now we can see a bit of convergence, which is signs of bearishness. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, every rise is offset with a round of drop. So now very crucial for gold to trade below 2695, 2700 zone, and then 2685, 88 and 2680 levels. If these levels are taken, then only we can confirm that now gold might erase the gains here. How far it can lend, and can in fact lend towards 2660. But we have to watch out here. Right now the signs are not very much encouraging for such a great drop. Stochastic is coming out of the overbought zone here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over, and it has not much of room available for further upside move. RSI just staying in the overbought. Coming to the daily chart, see yesterday what did I mention, that it has formed a tail. Forming the tail, we can expect a recovery. What has happened? We have seen a very good recovery. The next thing to note here, it has started the day, or it has closed the previous candle on a flat note at the top. Today it has started with slight bullishness. Now it is trying to erase some of the gains. Now if you connect the dots here, you will find the lows are still beautifully aligned, and thus it is very crucial for gold to trade below 2695, 2700, which is the only confirmation of further bearishness. While on the upside, see 2720 was a good resistance. It has already breached this. Now I will wait for it to trade about 2733, 35. If that zone is taken, the most important one, the most crucial one at 2750 will arrive. This is the most crucial zone which gold needs to break, because beyond 2750, I think the chances of a comeback, the chances of a down move will be less, and then the chances will be high that we can see a move towards 2800, 2820 zone. Here, if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over. This is good sign for. And now, if let me show you something. See, divide this into two: rise, a sharp single candle, then consolidation, then a rise, almost a double top. So this could also be the beginning, because see, this is definitely a crucial zone which gold might find it difficult to break past by. So now this zone you should be careful of. From here, the reversal can initiate. Stochastic overbought. MACD is still rising, and MACD, this I have shared several times earlier, that see, it has dropped sharp and it may look forward to a retracement. When you see at MACD, you can say that there is a further rise which can be seen here from MACD. RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels and strategy. And if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch and signals channel. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now looking at this, see, you can buy at 27.14, but ideally you have to be careful at 27.20 and then 27. So yes, ideal bullishness today in gold is only about 27, 26, and then 27, 33, 35 is something you should watch out for. If this is taken, then stay bullish for 27.50, and beyond 27.50, sky's the limit. We are back with a stronger run in gold where higher highs are possible. Be careful here. 2750 is a critical milestone for gold to break past by. So if you're buying at 2714, be careful till 2726 levels here. Yes, let it break beyond 2726, and then we are ready for another round of rise here in gold today. And now 2714, 2720, 2726, and then 2733, 35. These are the levels you should watch out for. Beyond 2750, 2765, 2780 in the near future are possible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2704. Expect 2700, 2695, 93. And if 2695, 93 is taken, stay short. Stay short till 2680, 2674. If 2674 is taken, then you can say the bears are back and you can look forward to a drop towards 2650, 2620 levels very, very soon. But such a sharp correction may not be possible, but yes, a little retracement is what you can look forward to. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. See, silver stayed muted yesterday. It breached the first resistance at 32.10. It has moved close to 32.20, but I can say a bit of a struggle is seen on the upside, and after the rise it is retraced and erased the gains here again. Now this is the support zone which has become crucial for silver to break past by 3180, 3160, and I have mentioned several times that 3150, which was the resistance, is now going to remain the support. What has happened? uh, Despite this drop, 3150 levels have proven out to be a greater support. Now what's happening here on the early charts? Finding the support, silver is trying to rise. Now it is crucial again for it to trade above 3210, 3225 zone. If this is taken, then you can say 3250, 3285, $33 level should be there very, very soon. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, signs are supportive of further bullish. On the 2-hour charts, now look at 2-hour charts. I've been sharing this. See, look at the move in silver: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and now it is on the verge of a breakout here. Already it showed a reversal, but now if you see, the 20 period moving average is giving it a very good support and it is ready for a breakout. So once you see silver trading about 32.10 and 32.25, 30 zone, just stay bullish here. It can give you a second round of rise, which is going to be a stronger one, where the prices can head towards $33 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD crossed over, ready for a rise, RSI rising. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Now taking the support, trying to bounce back, ready for a rise. Be watchful of 32.10, 32.25 zone, and then you can look forward to further rise. Moving averages are trading with divergence, is staying bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, crossed over, right now trading with a sell, but a crossover is what I will look forward to. Beyond this, certainly further bullishness to be seen. RSI rising, Coming to 4 on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, support from the 20 period, trying to break out. Wait for a breakout, wait for a move above 32.10. The lower price has to be above 32.10 in order to confirm further bullishness where 32.25, 30 and 32.50. In fact, I will look forward to 32.85, $33 levels very soon here in silver. Right now, it is confining its movement within a narrow zone, and on the downside now, as long as 31.50.40 is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bearish. This is very clear here. Moving averages are bullish. Stochastic rising. MACD is on sell here. It is willing to converge crossover. This can lead to reversal. RSI flat. Coming to now, see on the daily charts, preceding two candles are of consolidation and little swing. Now, and see lower highs here. We have to wait. We have to wait for it to give a breakout here. That means 32.10, 32.30 zone. It needs to just break out, and then you can expect similar size of candle here, where we can expect it to move towards 32.85, 32, $33 levels as the next targets. Now, see what's happening here in silver. The moving averages have crossed over, and see it is retraced sharp, it is consolidated here, and it appears silver is ready to fly from here. Stochastic near to top, MACD rising, RSI rising. So looking, I will recommend you to buy silver at 32.10, wait for 32.20.30 zone to be taken, and if 32.20.30 is taken, you can wait for 32.50.60 as the next target, and then 32.85.33 as the third target. Possibility is there that today, if it shows a rise beyond 32.30, we are looking forward to $33 levels possibly. That is an achievable level, and if not today, then it can be seen soon. Only bearishness today is if you see silver trading below 31.80 and then 31.60 levels, and then 31.40. If and only if silver is seen trading below 31.40, you can stay short from there and you can expect more bearishness. So if you're taking a sell at 31.80 levels, you need to be extremely cautious till towards 31.40. And only if it breaks this zone, then you can say that the bears are back, else a recovery is possible. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Do watch the next update before the US session. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.